Which of the following relations does not give the equation of an adiabatic process where terms have their usual meaning? P1 minus gamma t to the power of gamma is equal to constant. Pv to the power of gamma is equal to constant. Tv to the power of gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. P gamma t to the power of 1 minus gamma is equal to constant. Among these four options, which one is not following the relations we need to find here? So we know that the adiabatic process, that is Pv to the power of gamma is equal to constant. Pv to the power of gamma is equal to constant. So that is option B. It is not correct. So this is a correct equation. Then according to the ideal gas equation, we know that Pv is equal to nRT. Then we can write this one as P is equal to nRT divided by V. Then substituting the value of P in the above equation, then we get nRT divided by V into V to the power of gamma is equal to constant. Then we can write this one as T into V to the power of gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Then Tv to the power of gamma minus 1, option C. This is also not the correct option. This will also follows. Then again from the ideal gas equation, we know that V is equal to nRT divided by P, and substitute the value of V in the first equation, we will get P into nRT divided by P whole to the power of gamma is equal to constant. Then we can write this one as P1 minus gamma into T to the power of gamma is equal to constant. That means P1 minus gamma T to the power of gamma is also constant. That means option 1, option 2, option 3, all these equations are follows. Then P to the power of gamma into T to the power of 1 minus gamma is equal to constant. This will not follow. Then option D is the right answer.